Guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get straight into the tutorial. No time for long talk today. My hair had been looking a mess and I really just wanted to look cute. Like, I wanted to look like myself again. I had looked a hot mess for a long time, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna get my hair done today and I'm going to be doing this really cute braided protective style. I actually saw a picture of it on Pinterest, so that was what I was inspired by. If I find the person who actually created the style, I will like tag them below or something. But yeah, to get started, I'm just making a braid in the center of my head, and I know a lot of you guys struggle with braiding, so I'm just going to leave this clip here in real time. I always encourage you guys to just try things out. Like, it's so easy to say you can't do something until you actually watch someone else and you try it on yourself. So don't feel intimidated. Like, actually take your hair, try to part it as evenly as you can, and just practice braiding if you don't know how to braid. Okay, so I'm just using some shine and jam. I love to use shine and jam when I braid my hair. It helps me to get very straight parts, and it also just helps to make the whole thing look really neat, you know. So I'm just brushing that into my hair, and then I'm going to be making my next braid. From the intro, I'm sure you guys have already seen, but I'm pretty much going to be doing 3 braids on each side, and then I'm going to have that one in the middle. So this is my second braid, and I'm just taking my time to braid it. This part was really hard, you guys. I know I edit my videos so I don't show you guys everything, but I had to redo this braid at least 3 times before it came out the way I wanted it to look. So you're not the only one struggling. That's all I'm trying to say. If it doesn't turn out right the first time, just take it down and do it again. It's really not that deep. So for my next section, as you can see, I'm just parting a smaller braid, and that's going to be the braid I'll be in the middle of the 2 braids. Oh my god, that sounds like such a tongue twister. But yeah, I'm just parting this small braid, and I'm just going to be doing that as well. So this is the last braid that's going to be on this side. I'm just parting my edges out, you guys, because I'm really trying to not put too much tension on my edges. Like, edges are precious, you guys. If you have them, please hold on to them, okay? And I really don't want to lose my edges, so I just parted them out, and then I'm going to start braiding. And when I'm done, I'll use some edge control just to like smooth it back into the braid. So now that I'm done, as you can see, I'm just using some edge control just to make the edges look neat, you know. So my edges are really not like being pulled or anything because I didn't add them into the braid. So now I'm going to go ahead and repeat the exact same thing on the other side. And a few minutes later, this is me, you guys. Trust me, that did not happen as quickly as I came back. But this is me with both sides complete. I'm just adding some gel to the back section of my hair. I didn't have a lot of hair left to put into a bun, but I just added a bit of gel, and I'm going to be using my brush just to smooth everything on up. And then I'm going to take a hair tie and just put it into like a loose ponytail, and then I braided my hair up, and then I just used another ponytail holder to just secure it and make it into a small bun. That way my hair will be small enough to attach my ponytail. So here, you guys, I'm just doing my edges, and I love to watch people do their edges, so I decided to just leave this in for you guys. It's not exactly a tutorial, but just do your edges however you like. Like, you can go as dramatic as you would like or as simple as you'd like. It's up to you. Don't let anybody tell you anything, okay? Do your edges however you'd like. And once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and put some mousse on my hair. And the reason I decided to put mousse is because I braided my hair and I really wanted everything to stay down. I didn't really put a lot of gel on this top section, so I wanted it to like stay really sleek and really flat. So I'm just putting some mousse on my hair, and when I'm done, I'm going to tie it down with some wrap strips. Now, you guys, if you have issues with your hair laying down, I'd say you should try these wrap strips. Like, I don't know what it is about them, but if they dry on your head, like, your hair is going to stay really, really, really sleek. So definitely try these out if you haven't. So for my ponytail, I'm going to be using my ponytail from Betterlength hair. I'm sure you guys have seen me use this ponytail so many times. Like, I absolutely love it. It's a drawstring ponytail, and I'll leave all the details down below if you guys would like to get this, as well as my code if you want some money off. But drawstring ponytails, you guys, like, they are such a lifesaver, and they honestly just take basic looks to the next level. That's why I love them. But now I'm just ripping off those wrap strips, and you guys can see how sleek my hair is. This is even the same day. If I'd left it till the next day, my hair would have been even more sleek than this, you guys. And I was honestly just feeling this, so I'm gonna let you guys just see. Anyway, I'm going to be attaching the drawstring ponytail. I'm sure everybody knows how to attach one now, but I'm just going to clip it in, and then I'm going to like extend the drawstring and just tighten it. Try not to make it too tight, you guys. This can go wrong really quick. Like, you don't want to tug your hair out, you don't want to pull your hair out, so don't make it too tight. And then when you're done extending it, just take the rest of the drawstring and wrap it around the ponytail. And then to conceal like the base of the ponytail, I also like to just get some of the hair and wrap that around as well. And you guys, there you have it. I'm just fluffing the ponytail for a bit of volume because mine wasn't completely dry. And this is pretty much the finished look. I later on added some hair jewels just for a little bit of, you know I like hair jewels, okay? I don't have to explain. But yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. Really simple, really quick, a great protective style that you can leave on for at least a week and you don't have to touch your hair. So let me know what you guys think about this style. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, please, and leave all your comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.